Hey guys, this is Carmen, Featherweight Shop. I was talking to Jessica about the fit of this So Steady table, and first of all I'd like to say I love it. We all love it. Looks great. But I'm going to take a couple measurements for you. I've got Burl here with me. He's the manager of our tech department, and we're going to pull up some caliper measurements so you can see just exactly what's going on with this. But basically it's a featherweight, and I understand that originally these were made that if you were going to change your bobbin you would just take the table off. The issue is with a featherweight, everyone is used to just lifting up the end of their bed. That's what they do to change out your bobbin. The issue is with this one here, you can see here that it hangs up on the table, and we have determined that it hangs up ever so slightly. Okay, so here you can see that he's measuring the bed extension at the bottom part where it would be coming up through the table and lifting it. That's why it lifts it after it gets up a ways. And it is, that number is what?
6.895.
6.895 is the measurement of the width of the bottom portion of the bed. And here we're at 6.882 on the width right there where it's hanging up. And here if we take that same measurement on the clear table, it's a tiny bit even narrower at 6.880. Anyway, I hope these numbers help you guys out, and we'll be in touch. Thanks a lot.